What up, guys? Kai and I today, we're gonna team up. We're gonna change the battery on the G. It died on me yesterday, so probably the car's not gonna even start. Let's try. It looks like oh, it started. Oh, look at that, it's barely coming up. Look, oh, look at the battery blinking there. This should take us 3 minutes, and the battery is here. This is a G35X 2005. They're all gonna look pretty much the same, but the battery is not going to come out of there, so we need to take those little things out of here. One here, one up here. So we're going to get this one. We're going to pop this here with something little sharp, and then it comes off like that. Save this.
Okay, now we gotta get this one out.
Go, yeah, now, yeah, you got it. Now do the other side. There you go, there you go. Now you pull it out. Mine was missing a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, and might have another one there, I'm not quite sure. So we take that out, and the battery is exposed.
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna take 10mm here. The negative goes first. Yep, there you go. Pull this way. There you go. See? So he can do it, you can do it too. So negative first. You just do like this. Put to the side. And now do that one. Then we're gonna release those guys. That's gonna be a little more painful. Might need to take this top one here. Okay, now you take this one here. This is loose as well. Might be a little tighter. Oh, they're all good for you. Maybe not tight at all. Okay, now this comes off. So he basically tightens on the bottom with this, and then you tighten this and it pushes the battery down. The other side should have one too, but mine didn't for some reason. So this here, so one more here. Okay, it's out.
Just gotta do the same thing.
I'm gonna put in somewhere. I'm gonna put in my pocket, and this just comes off.
Oh, wow, that's easy.
There you go. Look at that. Now the battery is exposed. Okay. So this I got at Walmart.
Oh, Walmart.
This was a better one, so it's $179 I paid, but it could be $139. And this one is from 2016.
Oh,
so
wow, so that's
pretty old.
8 years old.
Yep. Okay, he said he can do it. It's kind of heavy.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy.
All right, put it on the ground.
Oh my god.
Now, if you have a battery terminal cleaner, you use it.
Just like this, I guess. I don't really know.
Yep. You have another helper? Yep. Now we clean it up. Then I'm gonna put this battery there.
It's taking me so long.
I know.
Okay.
We needed to dry some water that was there. And try to not hit or lean on anything. Okay.
It's right there.
There you go. So this hook here goes to the outside like this, and then you fish from the inside and done. And then you put in there. And now we're gonna tighten. The thing is, I'm missing the other side. Okay, good. Now we're gonna remove this. This is brand new. The ground goes last. So we're gonna get that terminal, put in there, and then tighten. Now tighten that. This here. Yep. Push it down and tighten all the way. So now my helper here is gonna tighten the last one, which is the ground. Ground, always go take out first and put it back later. And now we need to buy another bracket of those, so I'm not gonna put the covers yet.
Loose. Let's go.
Nice, that's good. That's good. And then let's go start the car. Okay, now we're gonna see. You gotta sit down. Oh, much better. Now let's see this here. See going up. Yeah, it's better.
Yeah.
Good? All right.
That's how we change a battery on an Infiniti G35.
Later. And